You'll never own anything again. Your car, your phone, even your heated seats, all becoming monthly bills.
This is the subscription economy, worth over $500 billion today and heading past $2 trillion by 2035. The average person now juggles over 8 active subscriptions.
Take Tesla. Full self-driving used to be a one-time purchase. Now it's subscription only, $99 a month, with 1.5 million subscribers and growing.
The tech behind it is remarkable. Tesla replaced 300,000 lines of code with a single neural network, trained on a supercomputer with 100,000 GPUs.
Apple turned subscriptions into an art form. iCloud, music, TV Plus, arcade fitness. A stack that now brings in $31 billion every single quarter.
And now, the device itself is a subscription. Apple Upgrade turns the phone in your hand into a monthly bill.
Google and Samsung put artificial intelligence behind a paywall. A free trial that expires, then you pay a monthly fee or lose access.
BMW charged monthly for heated seats already built into your car. Volkswagen locked horsepower behind a subscription paywall.
Here's the math that kills ownership. $99 a month for 10 years is nearly $12,000, far more than buying once.
None of this works without software-defined products. The cloud pushes an update, and a license layer flips features on or off.
A memory crisis called RAMageddon is making hardware more expensive, which pushes even more of it into subscriptions.
The average person thinks they spend $86 a month on subscriptions. The real number is $219, and over 10 years, that's $26,000.
This isn't new. Adobe did it first in 2013, then Netflix, Microsoft, and everyone else. Backlash, then dominance.
Now the pushback, class actions over full self-driving, and a new FTC rule forcing one-click cancellation.
Wall Street rewards this model. Recurring revenue earns a premium multiple, which is why these companies keep pushing subscriptions.
Ownership is becoming access. If this helped you see the trend, like and subscribe. The only subscription that's actually free.